Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. As a professional makeup artist, the top question I get is about foundation. In this Kathleen Color Lab series, I will be testing top brand foundations, such as Fenty, Urban Decay, Giorgio Armani, Lancôme Dior, and more, to see what they actually look like and how they wear without primer and setting powder. And if you are struggling with how to choose a foundation, check out my video in the notes below. Today I am testing the Luminous Silk Foundation from Giorgio Armani. Armani is Italy's most successful designer, and he's known for his men's tailored suits, women's understated elegant fashion, and attention to quality. But what about his foundation? Is it worth the $60 price tag? Let's find out. It's the end of the day, and on the Kathleen Color Scale, I give this foundation a 4. The things I like about this foundation are that it's lightweight, it has a medium coverage, and a beautiful, luminous, radiant finish. The things I don't like about this foundation are that it separates, it didn't last, and for the $60 price tag, you do have to use layers to get the coverage that you want. The skin type I recommend for this foundation is normal, combination, and dry. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.